The day started off with Arthur and David at the shunting yards. "I'm gonna challenge you, David," said Arthur. "What's your challenge?" said David. "I bet you couldn't pull 20 trucks all the way to that rock over there." "I bet I could," shouted David. "Well, do it," said Arthur. "Okay, I'm gonna pull it now," said David. Oh, these trucks are heavy. Ah, ha, ha, ha. I knew you couldn't do it. Oh, yes, I can. Then the coupling snapped. "Ah!" shouted David, and he smashed right into the rock. "Oh, man," said David, feeling miserable. Arthur then laughed and laughed and laughed. After David was put back on the rails, he challenged Arthur. "I bet you couldn't push 30 trucks," said David. "Oh, yes, I can," said Arthur. "Well, then go ahead," shouted David. Arthur pushed and pulled the trucks, but then he ran out of fuel. "Oh, man, I couldn't do it." Ugh. And for the rest of the day, the two engines started challenging each other. Then the next morning, the two engines met up again. "I think we shouldn't be doing challenges anymore," said David. "Yeah, you're right," said Arthur. "Let's go do our jobs like normal engines would," said David. "Yeah, I think we should," said Arthur. Then the two engines left, and there were no more challenges.